We first began our lab by setting up the objective, which was to see the effect of protein on germinated seeds versus seeds with just water. So to begin, we grabbed our containers.
Our hypothesis for this experiment was if the germinated seeds were exposed to protein, then the protein will speed up the process of the growth in the seeds as it does in humans.
For our next step in the lab, we took a container to the scale in order to measure 0.01 milligrams of protein into one of the containers.
After this process, we filled up our containers with water and then covered our seeds up with napkins to avoid any sort of moist on the seeds. Then we dropped them into the containers and waited a few hours to check on them again.
Some research that we came across was that egg albumin, the egg whites protein used in the experiment, serves the function of protecting yolk and provides additional nutrition for the growth of an embryo. With that knowledge, we believed the protein would act the same way with our seeds. Usually plants need soil to grow, and elements that are found in soil are carbon, nitrogen, calcium, potassium, sulfur, etc. Knowing so, we researched elements found in proteins, which were carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, both very similar, leading us to hypothesize that the protein would benefit the seeds to grow in higher quality than without. Later on within the experiment, we decided to open up the seeds and wait for them to see how many grew over a period of time.
As we opened up our results, we discovered how many seeds actually grew. This led us to the conclusion of how our hypothesis was wrong and how exposing seeds in different solutions really showed shocking results. The graph depicts the amount of each seed that germinated in each solution, one with protein added and the other without. The y-axis depicts the amount of seeds that we counted that began to sprout.
After conducting the experiment between the controlled group of seeds soaked in water and the experimental group of seeds soaked in protein and water, the results contradicted our hypothesis. We had predicted that the protein would in fact help the seeds grow faster, when in reality, the seeds in the control group contained the most seed germination. These findings indicate that the protein killed the seed germination process rather than helping it.